Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to convert one of our Android head unit to a garage sound system. So come on, let's begin. Sa Forge Garage, pinabago ang gabi. All right, so you might be wondering why I have this stuff in here. But yeah, so we're going to convert one of our Android head unit to work on my computer speakers for now. I have some speakers laying around here, so we're gonna use that instead. So also one of our Android head unit, I don't know which one yet are we gonna use for this one, but in this project, basically, we're gonna need to use some T-taps or some Wago connectors, and then we're gonna need this female audio jack in here, and this one got the 3 cable leads in here. So the red and white will be the positive for the left and right, and the black will be the negative. So as you see in there, and that's where the T-taps and the Wago connectors actually gonna play. So we're gonna use those in here. So we're going to connect the T-tap into one of the left and right. So basically we're going to connect this two in here, this one, and then for the negative, we're going to use a Wago connector or a Wago connector on the negative, all right? Because the left and right channel will have their own negative. So what's gonna happen there is we're going to put it in here, and then on this one, on this T-tap, it has a dual wire connection in here. So we're gonna need to cut like a small piece of cable or wire, and we're going to connect it into the Wago connector. All right, so let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me just complete this. It's an easy process. Be right back. All right, so here's what I did. So I just did it off cam. So positive, negative with a single T-tap. And then for the double T-tap connector in here is the negative. And it goes to the Wago here on the other side. So in the other end. So it has that negative connector in there. So now with the speakers, or I'm sorry, with the Android head unit, we need to grab our harness for that and then locate the speaker wires, all right, so that we can tap into it. All right, so let me grab that harness. All right, so this is the harness. So this is one of the Android head unit harness. I'm not really sure which harness is this. I think it goes to one of the lower end. So to power this on, you need a AC to DC adapter. So this one is a 12-volt output with a 3.5 amps. It's one from my Netgear router. So if you don't have one, you can go to a Goodwill or any thrift store and you can just grab this, and probably they're gonna be dirt cheap. So if you're gonna be driving some speakers, not the powered one, you might need like a 5 amps output from a power adapter like this. I'll be running some computer speakers which are powered, so they have their own power. So this is important. So just find the positive and negative of that Android head unit. So if you have the 12 volts and the ACC, connect those together, okay, and connect those to the positive of the DC adapter. Then the negative goes to the negative, of course. And then for the speakers in here, so we have the gray. The pure gray one is one of the speaker. I don't know which one, if it's left or right. So there's like the white one, which is another positive for the speakers, and the white and gray, and white with the black stripe and gray with the black stripe is the negative for the speakers. All right, so yeah, so let me just connect this, and we're going to try if this will work out. All right, be right back. All right, so now this is complete. So this is the connection in here. So yeah, so we're gonna try this. Just gonna set up the Android head unit in here, run the power somewhere over there, and yeah, we're gonna proceed with that. All right, be right back. All right, so everything is connected in here. So we'll be using our old Bose Companion 2 speakers in here. And yeah, so again, just easy connection. Yeah, I know I might not explain it properly, but again, we just need to find our left and right positive and the negative for that and connect it together. So yeah, so now it is powered on. So let's try to listen to some music. So this is by Stream Beats by Harris Heller. So let's try it and play some music. It works. All right. Okay, so we wired it correctly. So both speakers are working. Not bad. So basically, it's up to you just how you set this one up in your garage. If you want to set it up in your garage. Again, as I mentioned earlier, I have a TV and speaker here in the garage. But yeah, so I don't know. So probably I'll be using this one as like a test bench for some Android head unit, which I can do some on-table review on this. Probably the future, I'll use some actual car speakers, like some small three-way speakers, just to connect them into and drive them directly using the head unit. So yeah, so if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.